Did you know a 9-month-old golden retriever puppy once saved an entire team of scientists in the Arctic? In March 2023, climate researchers were studying ice formations in remote Greenland when a sudden blizzard struck. Temperatures plummeted to -40 degrees Fahrenheit and visibility dropped to zero. Their GPS systems failed completely and their experienced sled dogs had been left at base camp. All they had was Xander, a fluffy golden retriever puppy who wasn't even supposed to be there. As oxygen levels dropped dangerously low, the team faced certain death. But something incredible happened. Xander's natural instincts kicked in. The young dog began moving confidently through the whiteout conditions, leading the desperate scientists forward. His golden fur became covered in ice crystals, his whiskers frosted over completely. Steam poured from his mouth with each heavy breath, but his tail never stopped wagging. After hours of trudging through the storm, Xander led them directly to an abandoned research station. The Greenland Research Council later gave him official recognition for saving 6 human lives.